Well, hello there and welcome back. I am playing along, I guess I have a threefer. Is that a thing? I am playing along with Build a Page with Christy, Kristen, and Moira. I am playing along with the 30 Days of Sketches from Christy's Beautiful Life, round 9. And I am filming this for Challenge Accepted. So at this point, I feel like I'm Scrappy Kathy because she's always got so many things going on. All right, so I'm going to be using this double shot kit I have from September 2021 from the ScrapRoom. And it is a simple stories collection called Family Fun. And we have like bits and pieces of this collection. So let me show you what I have. All of a sudden I decided I had dry hands and I was freaking out. So we have this really gorgeous red cardstock. I've got some black cardstock. This piece of paper that looks like popcorn, which is nothing to do with what I am going to be scrapbooking. This is called Movie Night. Got a great red and off-white stripe. We've got journal elements in a plaid and voila, journal elements. Family Fun, Good Times. And then it looks like bingo boards. And like I said, we've got the red and the black cardstock. I also have these great tags. That works for what I'm doing. Okay, so we have that. I also have some little foam bits, some red enamel dots, and then some die cuts that I'm really not gonna be using for the most part. Okay, let me show, oh, I'll use this one. So this is a photo I'm going to use, and this is my youngest. It was somebody photobombing, rude. And we were at Red Rocks in Colorado. She was there for a tournament when she was much younger for sports, and she's blowing me a kissy. And I took 1,000 pictures, but I thought this was cute for what I have. So let me show you the extra goodies I also put in for Build a Page. So I have got Alphas from Ellie Studio, as well as Pink Fresh Studios. So I have them. I have from Colorcast Designs. I'm going to use this word explore, I think. The colors will work, and she is wearing the same color little sweatshirt. Great. I've got some Heidi Swap photo corners. Not sure if we're going to use them, but they seem like a cool idea. Some mini flare from Scrap and Happy Studio in all these nice matchy colors. And then I have like geotags and different little bits. I just kept some Colorcast Design stuff together. So that is what I have. Now, that's for the Build a Page extras. Now for the sketch, we have a sketch created by Dolly Boyd, especially for this Christy's Beautiful Life number 9. So some kind of maybe a pattern paper background, maybe a photo, wordy bits, and a cluster down here. So it's a great sketch. It's super open to play with, which I love. So that's fun. So what I have to do is, I love that arrow. That is so going on. And I'm using 3 of the tags as well. So that's got to work into the design. So clearly, I have to trim my photo. Guys, I updated Pig Stitch, and now they're putting watermarks on. Super uncool, by the way. I kind of like that background. Maybe with this as a strip down the middle, because there's kind of a strip down the middle vibe going on in our sketch. So let me just do like a, I want it wider than the photo, so about like so. So we have a nice little bit there, maybe bringing in the red for really good pops of color off of my photo. So let me go ahead and trim the branding strips here. And I'm going to map my photo. I am going to, I don't know. I'm trying to decide, like, do I want to? I could matte on that. It's not that dramatic. Now, if I matte on top of the black, we've got a little bit more drama. Okay, I like that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my page. I'm not doing a super strong matte. I'm going to go 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. So not, oh, it's going to be a pretty strong mat. What was I thinking? I was thinking, let me see. So we have matte. Great. A little stronger than I planned. This is the way my brain works. Sometimes it gets a little wonky. I think I will go ahead and have that go the whole way. Should I do that? Okay, I'm apparently doing that. And I have to map my photo, all that stuff. I have to calm down. I get excited when I go to do sketches. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna cut it to 11 1/4 as well. And then I'll be back in a minute. Trying to figure this out. I think it's cute. I think it's very cute. Okay, I'll be right back. So I have all of these pieces attached. Well, I shouldn't say that. My photo's not attached down, but I have the background attached down. I put a little bit of cheap kids craft foam on the back of my rather large photo. And in the sketch, the photo's up top, so I'm keeping so far to that much of this. But I do have these tags to use. So what I think I'm gonna do is have them kind of in this slightly wonky, ooh, I do like that blue. Although the Eurostar totally, ooh, I do like that blue. Guys, what do we do? What do we do? Okay. Do I do it like this? Or do I have it all down here? Ugh. Guys, it's not easy. All right, I'm gonna do slight wonk, because that's really what it's called, wonkiness. And then I'm gonna double these two up because I like this white showing a little bit. So I can have it kind of like that. All right, so I did grab a yibbit of this twine, which I don't know where it's from. I've had it forever. And I'm just going to go ahead and loosey-goosey put it through and tack down the edges with a little liquid adhesive. So now I took the tags off because I don't know if I want to use them. Like, it totally works, but Dolly has our piece going this way. So at this exact moment, I went ahead and backed the film strip with a piece of the red cardstock that we have. That can help me with this little spot, and I'm going to use it to put my title. Awesome, great, perfect. We're still there. Now this is black on black. It's okay. I mean, I guess I could give it, yeah, why don't I go ahead and give it a little bit of a shadow. Do a little something something with some foamy bits that clearly do not want to have any part of this because of the black on black. That's fine. So we will have our spot here. I don't even know why I'm trying to line this up without my T-square ruler. No idea. And does this have a coat? Oh, is it a coating? It's color cast design stuff. So I'm familiar, but not super familiar. Does it matter if it comes off? There's a question. Like, I don't care. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, well, I'm going to fight with this for about 2 weeks, give up, and just glue it on, I think. Because it's like, there's no parts of it that's even coming up a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and pop that on top of the film strip. I think that would be great. Perfect, etc. There we go. It's nice and glooby as things go. So we can have this word explore, which is perfect, quite frankly, for what we were doing. And then I really liked this arrow that is part of our foam pieces, so I wanted to make sure that worked, and it nestles in pretty darn nicely. There we go. Great. Now I need to get something down here, and I've got all of this stuff that I started because I like it so much. So that doesn't make a huge amount of sense to do the black on black on the black right there. It just doesn't, although I like it. Now, that doesn't work great either. Guys, both of these work because she was at a volleyball tournament. Let me see again. My concern is, can I get enough of this tags on that the word bits will still show? And I just don't think I'm doing it proper justice. Now those look like little elephant ears. Look at it. All right, so I am going to play with this. I'll be right back. I am very happy with where I am with this. So I ended up cutting the tops of the tags and having them be butted up against each side of my photo. That's awesome. Then this Let's Play and the little flags here were perfect for this bit that is part of the sketch. Now I have a couple of Scrap and Happy Studio itty bitty cute flair to build this out a little bit more. And guys, this is almost done. I do have some red enamel dots that I think would be super cute. I'm going to see, I think they should go on. They're very cute, but I wanted to get these cute little flair on either side here, just making this that much more of a cluster. So very primary vibe to the whole thing. Super awesome, so cute. I have lots of goodies for later too. So let's see, what didn't I get to? Oh, I did try out, and I just, I don't know. I mean, I have these super large photo corners, which I love. I really do. I think they're awesome, but they're kind of too big. I do like to use these. I've done them before as like little anchors, right? So let me see if I want to do that. Let me see. Because I could put them on the outside of this. And I'm going to go with no because the plaid with that stripe is legit hurting my eyeballs. The eyes are freaking out. Okay. They get to get moved on to a better place. Meaning, you know, back in their bin and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead now and pop on some enamel dots. And I'm going to call this one done because it's this really great, simple design. I think it's awesome. So I will have still shots in just a moment for you and links down below for my partner in crime, Scrappy Kathy, for Challenge Accepted, for the creators that play along with Build-A-Page, as well as the people playing along with 30 Days of Sketches. All right, bye for now.